Welcome to 3M Car Care Bihar, and I'm finally sitting in the king of SUVs. After a wait of around 3 years, I was feeling a little cursed of not getting an LC, just because I have done a lot of SUVs. Even XM, I have got sports, autobiographies, Wellfires. I have done PPF and CRs on almost everything, GLS, S class, but it was literally in my brain that I haven't done something on LCA. Right now, I am sitting in it, and it feels like finally I have got that. There is a story behind, from last 3 years. I was not putting an eye on Toyota, even on Fortuner, just because I had it enough. I felt कि यार फॉर्च्यूनर तो आती रहती है, टोयोटा तो आती रहती है, तो आई विल मेक वीडियोस जब मन करेगा. बट इसके बाद भी मैंने 3 साल लगाए सिर्फ फॉर्च्यूनर पे एक पीपीएफ के वीडियो बनाने में. And guess what? Within a month, I have got the LC. So this is kind of belief that you should never neglect or ignore any piece you think it's small. And I'm very keen to tell you about what I have done, from CR70 heat protection films to 3M 200 gloss Scotch Guard PPF, along with 3M ultimate nomad mats, which are just as comfortable and dust resilient like no other mats. Let me tell you about the brand. The brand I'm sitting in, Toyota, you guys all know about the reliability it provides. The brand I'm doing it on is 3M. If you don't know, let me tell you about the reliability of what it gives. I'm a Peaky Blinder fan. I'm a Peaky Blinder, literally Peaky Blinder fan, and because I guess I have that adrenaline too, that gets pumped up when something is there manly, when something is done a manly way, and when you drive a car, it's a manly way to drive, and having these kind of console in your car, it's the manly thing you can have in your car. The full palm gear console, along with manual mode shifters, with manual buttons to control your AC and rest of the things, not just touch, which feels a little extra. You don't need the entire console to be touch friendly, I feel. When something is done in just one push, why need to go from one app to other, and then another, just to open up something? These buttons are way better than touch screens, I believe. And a car like LC, a car like no one does have, if something is there, it is meaningful. It is literally meaningful. And for me, it's manly. For this beast, you need the top of the line product to protect it. And today, what I have done is preempt 200 gloss a Scotch Guard PPF, which is the top of the line PPF. You can search it on Google or anywhere. You'll find nothing is better than this to protect a car this size. And the car which has maximum potential to go anywhere, to be come out of anywhere, to drive in any terrain, you need that protection which can give you the confidence to drive it anywhere. That confidence I'll give you with the product I have, PM200 Scotch Guard, with the hydrophobicity that even let you clean your car in any mud condition, it won't be scratched. The self-healing technology, what it has is ultimate because it gets self-healed at room temperature, like 18, 20-degree temperature. You don't have to heat it. You don't have to leave the car in the heat just to get it self-healed. It's just amazing product on the amazing car. We have done PPF not just on the body, we have done PPF on the front headlights, the grills, logos, and wherever required. anyone who have ever driven an LC, they must know the feel, the torque it gives. It can drive you to 100 in just 6 seconds, and for a car size like this, it is just amazing to drive. But if I'm sitting on the back seat of this car, it is yet amazing. Not just because it has very good ambient lighting and very like visible attractions, but I'll tell you about the comfort. I'll tell you about the sitting posture. I'll tell you about the space I have, like leg room, head room, and the armrest where I'm sitting. I'm a 6 foot tall person, and for a person like this, backseat is comfortable, and I think people of my size, we can fit in four numbers. Actually, we don't need to fit four, but three for 3 person, it is very comfortable. Along with that, if you have seen the vents, AC vent here, and then on the other side, I'm getting enough of the AC because I'm sitting in Patna and I have to look about how AC is comforting, because this car has very big glasses, and these glasses are very prone to heat. If I'm sitting in this car and driving it on a highway at 12 noon, I know. However, the premium car is, the heat will come inside. For that, I have installed CR70 on the front and back, and CR50 on the rear side, so that I don't get heat enough. Even if I keep this car for an hour in sunlight, it won't get heated. These are amazing to have on these cars. I'm not going to end talking about the car I'm sitting in or I'm standing in front. Let me tell you about the height of this car. Just check it out. I'm a 6 foot tall with a 1 inch boot I'm wearing right now, and I'm still not above the car. So the height of the car is amazing. And before I end this video, I would like you to go through the cinematic. If you have these cars, if you have any car like this, and you want it to get protected, and it's new, I must say, go have a detailed check about how PPF has been done on this car, and why you should have PPF, why you should have CR70, why you should have premium product on your car. If you need any help, comment below, subscribe us for the next videos. Thank you so much.